Welcome to this introduction to alcohol inks. Alcohol inks are a really great way to give vibrant, colorful images. All you need are 3 colors of alcohol inks that complement each other, and a non-porous surface like this synthetic paper. Also, isopropyl alcohol and a straw, blow dryer, or other method to blow the inks around. Cover your work surface as alcohol inks stain, and wear nitrile or plastic gloves to protect your hands and protect your clothing as well. I've also gathered some cotton balls, a tissue, and a squirt bottle to apply the alcohol exactly where I want it. The colors I have chosen are marigold, sunset, and poppy red. Be sure to read the label on your product. Mine says to use in a well-ventilated area. If you are sensitive to the smell of alcohol, you may want to wear a respirator mask as well. I will show you 2 basic techniques to start. The 2 items on the left side were made using the wet on wet technique, and the 2 items on the right side were made using the wet on dry technique. I have cut my paper into 3" by 8 1/4" strips to make bookmarks. The first thing we do is to get the surface wet with alcohol. I find that using a cotton ball is an easy way to do this. This application will allow the inks to slide around. This is the wet on wet technique. Next, drop in a bit of alcohol ink and watch it bloom. You do not need much, because a little goes a long way. Now blow it around a bit. And remember that these are going to dry quickly. Watch what happens when I put a drop of another color inside the first circle. If you add some more alcohol, the shapes thin and move even more. Keep going until you like what you see. If you feel like you went too far, don't worry about it. You can start over. It's a simple process to just wipe it clean with a tissue. Then you can start all over again. Look how interesting those edges can be. Now let's try the wet on dry technique. We're going to go ahead and drop our color onto the dry paper and blow it around a little bit. You'll notice that the edges are crisper and a little more vibrant. And if you want the colors to blend, you could just add a few drops of alcohol. Continue the process of layering pigment and alcohol and blowing them around until you get the effect that you are after. I hope that you enjoy this medium as much as I do.